Long before credit cards or mobile banking, humans traded what they had: goats for grains, salt for silk. Over time, coins came, then paper money. Eventually, banks and governments took control of how money worked. But one thing always remained the same. Money needed trust. Trust in people. Trust in governments. Trust in institutions. But what happens when that trust is broken? In 2008, the world faced a brutal economic crash. Big banks failed. Millions lost their savings. And for many, it felt like the system had failed them. But in the shadows of that chaos, a new idea was born. A mysterious person, or group, named Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper. Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This was not just another payment app. It was a revolution.
On January 3, 2009, Bitcoin came to life. The first block, called the Genesis block, was mined. In it, Satoshi left a hidden message. The Times 03/Jan/2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. It was more than code. It was a message. This system is broken. Let's build something better.
This new system was powered by a brilliant idea called blockchain. Let's break it down simply. Imagine a notebook where every transaction is written, but instead of one person holding the notebook, millions of people have the same copy. Before anything is added, everyone must agree it's real. Once written, you can't erase it. It's permanent. That's blockchain. Decentralized, transparent, secure.
The security of blockchain is built on cryptography, fancy math that keeps your info safe. Consensus mechanisms, like proof of work, where computers solve puzzles to approve transactions. Decentralization. No single company or government is in charge. No one can change history. No one can cheat the system.
Bitcoin opened the door, but it was just the beginning. Here are some key blockchains and their creators. Bitcoin, 2009, by Satoshi Nakamoto, the digital gold. Ethereum, 2015, by Vitalik Buterin, introduced smart contracts, automated, self-running agreements. Ripple XRP, 2012, by Chris Larson and Jed McCaleb, designed to move money across borders fast. Litecoin, 2011, by Charlie Lee, a lighter, faster version of Bitcoin. Cardano, ADA, 2017, by Charles Hoskinson, a research-driven blockchain built for the future. Polkit, 2020, by Gavin Wood, connects multiple blockchains into one network. Solana, 2020, by Anatoly Yakovenko, built for speed, processing thousands of transactions per second.
From Bitcoin to Ripple, let's explore the top cryptocurrencies, what they are, who created them, and most importantly, how people trade, mine, and make profits from them. Each of these coins has its own unique purpose, technology, and path to value. Let's break it down simply. Bitcoin BTC. Created by Satoshi Nakamoto. Year 2009. Digital gold. A decentralized store of value. How people use it. Trade it, buy low, sell high on crypto exchanges. Mine it. Powerful computers solve puzzles to earn new bitcoins. This process is called proof of work. People invest in Bitcoin to hold it long-term as its value tends to rise over years. Traders use market volatility for short-term gains. To Ethereum ETH. Created by Vitalik Buterin. Year 2015. It runs smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. How people use it. Trade it. Active daily trading due to its popularity. Mine it. Previously mined via proof of work, now uses staking in Ethereum 2.0. Users lock up ETH to validate transactions and earn rewards. Profit. Developers create apps while users stake ETH to earn passive income.
Binance Coin BNB. Created by Changping Zhao CZ. Year 2017. Utility token for the Binance ecosystem, used to pay fees, trade, and launch tokens. How people trade it, especially popular on Binance Exchange. Staking and launch pads. Users stake BNB to earn other tokens or participate in new projects. Profit traders hold BNB as Binance growth drives up its value. For Cardano ADA. Created by Charles Hoskinson. Year 2017. A research-based smart contract platform. How people trade it. Traded like most coins, often seen as a competitor to Ethereum. Staking. Users earn rewards by delegating ADA to pools that validate the network. Profit. Many earn passive income through staking while holding for long-term growth.
Solana. Created by Anatoly Yakovenko. Year 2020. High-speed blockchain for decentralized apps and NFTs. Trade it. Known for sharp market movements, attracting traders. Staking. Solana uses proof of history plus proof of stake. Users can stake for rewards. Profit. NFT creators and developers also profit by building on Solana. 6. Ripple. XRP. Created by Chris Larson and Jed McCaleb. Year 2012. Purpose. Enables fast, low-cost international money transfers. Trade it. XRP is actively traded, especially in Asia and by institutions. Not mined. XRP was pre-mined. Most tokens were created at launch. Profit. Investors benefit from price fluctuations and use by banks increasing demand.
Seven. Polkadot. Created by Gavin Wood, co-founder of Ethereum. Year 2020. Connects multiple blockchains into one network, making them work together. How people trade it. Grows with the expansion of Web3 projects. Staking. Users earn by validating the network. Profit. DOT holders profit as more projects use the Polkadot network. Created by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. Year 2013. Started as a joke. Now used for tipping and community payments. How people trade it. Popular for meme trading and viral movements. Mine it. Mined like Bitcoin, using a system called SCRYPT, shared with Litecoin. Profit. Prices often surge after celebrity tweets or news, making it a favorite for quick profits, though risky.
So whether you're mining, staking, trading, or just learning, each crypto has its own way to grow and earn. But always remember, with potential reward comes risk. Learn before you leap, and invest only what you can afford to lose.